Let's take a look at how to use the BPM indication in WeDJ and the jog wheels on your DDJ-200 controller to easily mix two songs together. First, make sure you have two tracks you want to mix together ready. Remember, you can use the suggestion feature to help you select tracks that work well together in a mix. Before you mix, you need to set a cue point at the first downbeat on the section of the track you want to bring into the mix. Also, make sure the channel fader is all the way down on deck 2, and the crossfader is in the middle. Use the tempo slider or beat sync button to make sure your tracks are beat matched. Listen to the beat, and wait for the first downbeat of the part of track 1 you want to mix out of, and press play at your cue point on deck 2. Look at the beat grids on the two waveforms as the tracks are playing to see if the beat grids are aligned. You can use the side of the jog wheel to make small adjustments. Moving the jog wheel clockwise will briefly move the track forwards, and anti-clockwise will move the track backwards. Turn down the low EQ knob and bring up the channel fader on the deck you're bringing in. Then turn the EQ knobs on both decks to swap the bass lines. Using EQs in time with the beat can help you to create smoother mixes by swapping over the beats and bass lines of the track, meaning they don't clash or interfere with each other. You should choose a dramatic out point in the incoming track for your mix. As you reach this out point, you should cut the outgoing track just as it hits and bring down the channel fader on that deck. You can experiment with using different transition effects and color effects to add interest to your mixes. You can also use phrase sync to make your mixes sound even smoother.